My name is Manny Alonso. I'm a professional dog trainer with Lorenzo's dog training team. Karim, Ellis came in to speak to our team of professional dog trainers here in Cleveland, Ohio. One of the things that I really took away is identifying gifts and figuring out how to take your gifts and talents to be able to succeed and grow in the proper environments versus just kind of trying to figure out and doing the wrong stuff. Now I really have a better idea of how to identify my gifts, my talents, use them appropriately so I can grow larger my business and be able to identify talents in the team and the people that I work with so I can help them succeed in their business as well. Thank you, Kareem.